Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis. I think this is now my 3rd day in a row. And yet another very nice day. Definitely some updates need to be made, and that is where the orange line is coming from yesterday's video. And I bring that up because, I talked about that being the resistance trend line, and right here you could throw this right into a textbook. Broke the trend line, and then, after the breakout, the question always becomes, okay, it's broken out. Now is it going to get continuation, it being the price? And yeah, the price definitely got continuation on that trend line break. So just an absolutely beautiful move here, and a lot of updates need to be done. First thing now, what I'm going to do is just get rid of that line there. I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing confusion because of all the clutter, so I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest updates and one of the newest areas of support, I should say, going into Friday. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow for Thanksgiving, but $14.25, and that's what I would call the ideal level, meaning, Clay, what make this chart appear the most powerful going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above $14.25. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means is everything ruined, but yeah, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that, right there at the $13 mark. So $14.25, 13, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, and if you're somebody that just cares about more so the big picture of it all, then that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So from the grand scope of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. On that note, I'm not even going to talk about areas of resistance, because as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and that has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance, but as long as the price just keeps building those higher bases, continues to stay up above that purple line, then the overall chart will take care of itself as it's been doing. And, taking care of itself includes breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on building higher bases, and like I said, the chart will take care of the rest. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.